Now, from here, you look where Ugutu Ugu puts in down Ugutu Ugu. You look where Matthews Ugutu Ugu. Right? You, as a defender or as a player, you are not covering here. Okay, this is when Sundowns started losing the ball. There's no way, Bafid. Our ball, you could have turned la. Santos could have turned here, and it could have turned Tambisi Pambi. Okay, it doesn't turn. Nala could have turned still, doesn't turn. Why ungabizi abantu bazomaka? Look at this is the guy that scores the goal. Hey, thing is that. Mara Bafid. Now, this was an offside. I don't understand. I really don't understand. Linesman, what's blocking you? What is blocking you, linesman la? Because this man was offside. Sambonani, welcome to Couch Coach. Your coach on the couch. The best coach on the couch. Please like, please share, and please subscribe. But the most important thing, please enjoy the film session. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for pressing the play button. TX Galaxy 2, Mamelodi Sundowns 3. Great result for Sundowns. Again, set piece, but considering a set piece. It was a great game, great tactical work from both teams. Cardoso with a different formation, right? I'm going to show you in the first minute or the first half, right? Different formation. Second half, different formation. Let's start. Sundowns, normally they play a 4-2-3-1 and it's sharp. Now, in this game, they play a 4-3-3. When Ukaroso joined the Sundowns, he played a 4-3-3, right? You had, okay, in this game, you have 1, 2, 3, 4 defenders. Then you had Ukekana. Not to Grant Kekana. Kekana here and Santos no Mr. Miyagi Allende both playing as 2-8 and it's sharp. Then you have the wingers here, but you will find Matthews tagging in most of the time. Ne? Sharp. Just showing you. Then it takes Galaxy. They didn't have a right winger. Right, so Ulitwalo would push in here, and then this guy, it cost them the game, right? Uzindalo, I think his name is Uzindalo. It cost them the game, because he was playing as a wing back. Then show you when you video. That's why he even considered the penalty. The 2-8 lies the Sundowns. I need to do a video, a combination of these two. Beautiful combination. Ukekana no Allende. Beautiful combination. And Ukekana, I think, is going to be a great player. Another clip. Yama formation, right? 6 and 2-8. Dang it. Now, here, because remember what I said, they didn't have a right winger. So most of the time, in the first 15 minutes of the game, or it can make that, right? There was a lot of space this side, but it takes Galaxy now. They adjusted. But La Mpanagiti, Santos, I think he tried to play a through pass here, but the space La. Now I'm gonna show you why it cost Ilontuzan. It takes Galaxy playing down as a wing back, and it throw in a Sundowns takes the throw in quickly. Ne? Sharp. Just want you to focus Matthews. You can see from here Guti Aga Kavanga, right? Normally a right back would be in this position, ne? Waiting for Matthews. The ball could have come into Matthews' path, but while blocked. Let me show you another video. The penalty. Then I'll show you another video. Nakia, this is a perfect one. Sundowns Senzani, a long pass. Now, from here, you look where Ugutu Ugu putting down Ugutu Ugu. You look where Matthews Ugutu Ugu. Right? You, as a defender or as a player, you are not covering here. Great pass, Allende. Now, as a player, it doesn't matter what you are a defender or a midfielder. No, isn't as you saw, you should be able to defend. The judgment, timing, you can see ball with la. It's in me again, otherwise it's a cause penalty. Final clip. Just watch. Okay, sharp. La or la, right? Obvious. You space yourself. Now, look where he is, right? And then Wenzani foul. The tactical plan ATX Galaxy to play him as not as a right back. He was not played as a right back. He was played as a wing back because they didn't have a right winger. Ulitwalo, yes, Mama Suzo Mark, he would come there, but we are shifter and he becomes a striker. But at the same time, because if you the first 15 minutes of the game, right, or first 20 minutes of the game, Bewaza on this right hand side, yeah. Both teams in this game had chances, ne? Maybe score big 5-4 or 5-3, right? TX Galaxy had a chance, but now the game plan, the same as last season, was to try and get the ball behind the spaces. And this is Sundowns attacking, ne? Sharp. Then they win the ball. They win the ball. They play the ball through the space. Target. When you're facing a keeper, you should hit the target. That's the first thing. But you have to hit the target. Most of the time, right? Sundowns is in danger by losing the ball in crucial areas. Right? Now we're gonna Team Bonita another chance, and then I'm gonna show you where Sundowns was losing the ball. The goal was coming because they were losing the ball in critical areas, but not in this one. There they were attacking, but I'm just showing you another chance it takes Galaxy here. There are some players who Sundowns, I don't think they are ready to play for a Sundowns because when the regular defenders abuya, and it shouldn't be like that. When you are given a chance, you should take it. Ukoza, not Johannes. Now imagine Ukoza, they prefer Johannes over you. Like Ukoza, I think he needs to go on loan, right, and play for a team as Ushali defend, because when you play for Sundowns, you don't defend most of the time because you have the ball down. Now I Johannes Bafit, I'm no mina I Askis. No, I sharp. Okay, this is when Sundowns started losing the ball. There's no way, Bafit. There's no way. You can't as a professional player if you pass a simple pass. Another clip is Sundowns losing the ball easily, right? So many of them, but I'm just gonna show you this one. So good TJ, even the TX Galaxy. Look at this. It's supposed to be a simple pass for a professional player. But in the TX Galaxy now, they don't have the wisdom or the creativity. If they win the ball in these areas, right? If they win the ball in these areas here, remember, it's easy if you're gonna win the ball in the final third, right? It's easy for most teams to attack. But if you win the ball here, you still need creativity. Now the goal. It's simple. TX Galaxy had the ball here and it's sharp. Now, Ipola late. angithi ibhola lethu. Our ball, he could have turned la. Santos could have turned here. And it could have turned Tambi siye phambili. Okay? It doesn't turn. Nala could have turned still. Doesn't turn. Sibuyele move. Sharp. Now, Khoza, play the ball to the keeper. Let's play the ball to the keeper fast. We don't do that. Sifuna ukudlala la. Now, we are inviting pressure. Angithi sharp. Now, this is simple. I always say when the ball comes from the left, it needs to go to the right. Or if it comes from the right, it must go to the left. Angithi sharp. So what I want to show you here, now if you divide the field, if you cut the field, phakathi nendawo, you need to always be aware. Hey, I think uRowan confidence yakhe iyamshaya because every ball elizayo he goes. If you divide it in the middle, so this side sibaningi ngapha than bona, because bona by 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, there are 4 on the left hand side. So it means we have to switch the ball, right? Because here uRowan could have played the ball. He could have played the ball to Ukekana here. He could have played the ball to Ukekana here. And it's okay. Maybe it was a difficult pass, but that's why we need confidence, yeah, right? Because we know him to be a player who could keep always pass la. Pass the ball here, sidlala la. But we decide once we come to the left, bias press. Now, now look this side. And pega manje. Now everyone sekanomuntu manje. Everyone sekanomuntu. We can't escape. Now let me take it back. I want you to look at uSantos, Gutwenza, right? He keeps on scanning. He scans, but now he plays the ball first time. He should have controlled the ball. Control the ball and look, right? Because the last time maga scanner, bekunganamuntu opressile. The last time. But now, sekunomuntu and you are trying to play Upasedini. Phakathi. Inside. Just like that. A simple thing, you play the ball early to the keeper. If they played the ball early to the keeper, I don't think they would have considered the goal. Second half, Sundowns, they were all over Chiefs Galaxy. Could have scored 3 or 4 goals, right? 3 or 4 goals. But now, remember I said Guti also made tactical changes, right? In terms of the player and the formation. So now, bakipe uSantos, bafaka uBennett Mokoena. Sharp. Now remember in the first half it was a 4-3-3 and sharp. Now they were back to their 4-2-3-1. This is their double pivot. And double PV. You have Ukekana, you have Allende here. Then uBennett Mokoena will play as a half 10 this side. Then you have Matthews on the other side. And there's a winger but coming in as a half 10. Mr. Miyagi. I'm just showing you how Sundowns was set up in the second half, right? And then another thing, if you watched the first half, or if you watch this game, Umudao was not pushing, and a Sundowns that is not pushing both flanks, it's not that dangerous. But when both of them they are pushing, you have ama center back ahleli way too, and the double pivot bahleli la covering. Then you have Umudao, no Mutiba, or whoever's playing on the left going forward. Then that's a Sundowns that is very, 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 very dangerous. That's how they scored the 2 goals, because Umudao was pushing. In the first half, he was not pushing, and they were playing a set 3. In the second half, Maseba Funi goal. Chance, another chance. Another chance, another dollar. Chances Sundowns here. You have to finish these things. Now you have to finish these things. Great save by the keeper there. Great save by the keeper. When you are confident, it's like you even make saves that you are not supposed to make. When on the other side, hey, Williams, maybe you could have passed the ball early here. Matthews, maybe you could have passed the ball. I don't know, maybe. But now it took time. Everyone recovers, the keeper. But let's give credit to the keeper. But you have to finish it until you saw. Both teams had a chance to score in this clip. But sizoqala ngeGalaxy. Now here siya-attack angithi. We are attacking. Now we force a pass there. We are forcing issues now. Right? Sundowns ifuna goal. But now our right back is not supposed to be charging too much. Because if we lose the ball here, kuzoba nespace la. If we lose the ball, kuzoba nespace la. You wait and see ukuthi does the right winger control the ball. Not good when you start charging with a pambi, because look what happens. Now you are out of position. The base. Great defending there. Hey, Arisa Mtepa Williams pela any shot ikaba goal. Hey, Arisa Mtepa Williams. Hey, minangazi kwenzakale. Because most of these goals, I wouldn't blame him, but it's like awusathibali A1 here mfana ngithi. A1 Williams. Okay, sharp. Mr. Miyagi, bafethu alend. I know. I don't know how banikeze uVictor Litwalo man of the match. Bafethu. Mr. Miyagi. Someone needs to speak to Umukwena ukuthi the goal will come. He must not rush, because it's like he's now taking shots where he's not supposed to shoot. But not in this case. Not in this case. There was a few shots that Begawa shy where he's not supposed to shoot. Right? Here you could have passed the ball here, because everyone is coming to you. Who won? When Undambane is fit again, he's going to play. Even Cupido, they are going to play, because defending a set piece, guys, the first thing you have to organize. We have to organize ourselves, right? Now, Pegala, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Okay, let's say this guy is marking here, but who is picking up this guy? Who is picking up this guy? Right? You have international player, right? International player. Why ungabizi abantu bazomaka? Look at this, is the guy that scores the goal. Hey, thing is that. Mara bafethu. On goal. Okay, sharp. But you can't. Kunabantu abayi-2 la. Yeah, you're not even calling umuntu oyi-1, because bamile labo Johannes bafethu. Yeah? The first thing when you defend a set piece is to organize yourself properly. Back. He's free. Free. Just like that. No one is stopping him. Eh? Actually, this was an offside. Let me play a different angle. Mina ngiboni offside. But I understand why ulinesman angayibonanga. I get it. I understand. Usithwe, this other guy. Right? Let me take it back. Kancane. Now I'm not getting the perfect angle. When I was doing this, I got a perfect frame. Now, this guy was offside. But now, if you think about Guti linesman, this guy is actually blocking the path of the linesman, right? Blocking the path of the linesman. he was offside by Umpont. That's why we need VAR, right? That's why even in Sundowns, their third goal was an offside. I'll show you. Second goal is Sundowns. Ball rotation, ball from the left needs to go to the right, right? I'll show you the third goal. I think it came from the left to the right to the left, ne? Or vice versa. Now, the double pivot here, it allows, look at where Umutiba is. And look at where Umutiba is. This is Upenet Mukwena who takes the throw in. And then, but now, it allows the fullbacks to move forward. Now look how many Sundowns players are in the box. It's one thing that I always say in the Chiefs, Gucci. They won't score a lot of goals because when they attack, they don't have a lot of people inside the box. Look at how many Sundowns players are in the box. Seven players. It shows, okay, sharp, obvious. They wanted a goal more than it takes Galaxy, right? But when you attack, you have to have a minimum of 4 guys in the box. If in goal, ball rotation, you have to rotate the ball. It's a free kick here. Sundowns use a quarter on this side. You have to rotate the ball. The ball touches that side. Yeah? Why? Because they know space is of from here you can just see there is space here. Because why? The ball moves. You don't have an issue about the Pirates over the weekend. The ball needs to move. Ball rotation. Many tinted this person this side. Yes, Sundowns were lucky here. Sundowns were lucky there, but you have to rotate the ball. Simple, guys. This thing is simple. From the right boot to the left. If you valegile, you come back. And you know the purpose is for you guys to find space. And the only way to get space is to rotate the ball. Now, this was an offside. I don't understand. I really don't understand. Linesman, what's blocking you? What is blocking you, linesman la? Because this man was offside. The offside. Let me take it back. I don't understand, Bafethu la. Ukuthi yini into emenza ukuthi angaboni ulinesman ukuthi le offside. I know, Bafethu. No, both goals. The second goal it takes Galaxy, the last goal is Sundowns. We're offside. But now VAR. Thank you for watching, Bafethu. Please like, please share, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Ngiyabonga.